Welcome to this presentation of becoming a restructured entrepreneur. I have been an entrepreneur for more than 23 years now. I have 4 different businesses. The first 2 for me was very much challenging, a lot of difficulty. One of them went even bankrupt. So I learned a lot on the way as an entrepreneur, as a spiritualist, and as a human being. Because, as you know, my story already is that I went through a lot of different addiction, and this was very challenging to have those addictions, to want to grow a business, to have a nice harmonious relationship with my wife. And everything was difficult because those addictions was taking my focus away, my energy, my peace of mind, my brain, my intellect. I was losing so much potential because of those addictions, and especially media addiction that was stealing my time, my energy, my focus, my concentration. So I have built this coaching in 2 parts. One part that is made of tools that help us to regain the focus, to redirect ourselves to have a good rest, to rest properly at night, to go to bed at the right time, to get up earlier, to exercise, to develop new skills to find stability and focus. And the other part is about rewiring our heart, going inside to understand the emotional difficulty that we are facing. Why are we so much challenged by our emotion? Why we can't really deal in many ways in our life with peace, with calm. And we are overwhelmed by the emotion, and what we do, we just respond compulsively by overeating, by escaping on media, or doing anything compulsively, even becoming a workaholic, a sport addict. These are all response to something we don't know how to deal with and we want to avoid. But you know, I think you even know better than me that this in the long run creates so much problem in your business, in your professional life, in your personal life, your private life, in all aspects of your life. So this coaching is really made to help you to just regain everything you lost and to get even more from that, because you will be able to understand deeply the reason of your struggle and to develop a new way to function and not be submitted to anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, and become who you are supposed to be. Be the man, be the person that you have made to be, and work peacefully, properly in your business and in your life. And work with integrity, with peace and strength. So please, if you want to get in touch with me, book a call, then I can even speak more about it to you, give you more explanation of what we could do together, and take the step for a big change.